Hey guys, and welcome back to another Animal Crossing video. So I know this is a little early for a Christmas video, but I'm not sure when this video is going to be up, and I want all of these designs to be available for people to get if they want them. So today, as you can probably tell by the title, we are going to be making some Christmas clothes. I am so excited. I have so many ideas in my head, and I don't know how many I'm going to do today, but we are going to design some Christmas clothes. I have a lot of fun making clothes, as you guys can probably see. All right, so let's get started here. The first thing I want to do is I want to make a dress. I think I'm going to start by making it all white. So the easiest thing I found, I just recently learned that you could copy like that. I had no idea that was a thing. Just learned that. That would have been super helpful all these times I've been making things that I could have just copied. Okay, so now the whole thing is white. I just want to make like a little peppermint dress. So really I just want to put some red stripes on it. I'm on the back, aren't I? Okay. I think I'm just gonna do like 3 and 3 probably. Oh. Alright, so that was something super easy. Now we go to this and we want to copy. Boom. Okay, cool. That's so cute. Now I've got to figure out what I want to do with the sleeves because I don't really know what I want to do with the sleeves yet. I'm just going to make the bottom part red. Oh. One line too many. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's so cute. I'm done. That was super easy. That was the easiest one I had in my mind. Super cute. Now we're gonna display that because I want my villagers to start wearing it. Yes, I made it, but I want to display a different dress here. I don't need it because I already have it. Okay, now I have an idea for a little bit of a harder one here. I really like to make sweaters. And we are gonna make it like cream colored. This seems like a good palette to start with. Okay. We're gonna change this one. I think I like this. It's a very light off-white color. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and make everything cream colored real quick. Okay, everything is nice and cream colored. I want to make a Christmas tree sweater. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the colors that I want. So this one, I'm gonna make more of a brown. No, it needs to be like less red. There we go. Okay, that's good. And then this one, a little bit more vivid. That one's gonna be that. And then, okay. We're probably gonna have blue ornaments, blue and red. That seems like that makes sense. But I want them to be fairly vivid. Starting with the pen, I've gotta see where I'm at first. Okay, that's too low. That seems good. Okay, and then I'm just gonna that seems like a good start. Add one. Okay, just let me figure this out. Okay, that looks pretty good. We're just gonna go ahead and fill that in. And then take the yellow and the star stamp. I hate that it can't go in the middle. Hang on, let me see if I can fix that. Now, there we go. Okay, I like that. I like that. Now I'm just gonna take this, but in the smallest little like dotting thing, and we're just gonna put some ornaments on here. I feel like I need another color of ornaments. What would be another good color? I could do orange, but like, let's just try. Let's try orange and see. Okay, I like orange. Orange looks good. I feel like I need to fix the star though. The star looks a little weird still. I don't like that. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this sweater, unless I should do something. I don't think doing anything to the sleeves would make much sense. So that's just gonna be my Christmas tree sweater. Actually, let's just, it's gonna be a really long word if I put Christmas tree sweater. So we're just gonna do Xmas tree sweater. I will post all of these and I'll put the links down below, the codes I guess, so that you guys can get these if you want them. Oh my gosh, I love that. It's so cute. Okay, actually fairly ugly. So let's see. I'm gonna make another sweater. Love a good sweater. So I'm gonna change this. I want the vividness of it toned down. Not quite to where it's pink, but I just want it toned down. Okay. Oh wait, no. Keep editing. I do not want to fill all. I just want the fill. Okay. Why does it not? We're gonna take the green and I want to turn down the vividness. This one's actually a little bit, I want it brighter but less vivid. Does that make sense? There we go. That's the green I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna put that on this side. Well, that was an accident. Okay. And then we're gonna fill in the green. These lines make me angry. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the sleeves the same way. So just give me a second to... Oh my gosh, I'm already in love. Okay, so my plan for this was to do like snowflakes. That was my original plan. I don't know, I kind of just like it like that, I'm not gonna lie. I wonder if I should just do little stars. No, I shouldn't do that. I don't know, I kind of just like it like this. But I don't just want to leave it like this. Okay, I'm having way too much fun with this. I don't know, maybe this is like a really good way to make snowflakes, because I feel like this looks really cool. I wasn't really sure how I was gonna do the snowflakes, but honestly, I think this is turning out pretty good. I can just do that so that the back matches, but I am gonna have to do the sleeves separately, which is fine. I'll just put like a couple little snowflakes on the sleeves. I mean, I'm calling this an ugly Christmas sweater, but honestly, it's so cute. Okay, so I think that is my ugly snowflake Christmas sweater done. Ugly snowflake sweat. Good enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you guys. Look at how cute. Okay. And here's the peppermint dress. Super cute. And because I knew that this Christmas tree one was gonna be my favorite, this one is last. Look at how cute this is. I'm definitely wearing this. Alright, well that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed making some Christmas sweaters and dress with me today. I'm probably going to make some more Christmas clothes and have another video, but I just want to get these out in time for other people to get them if they want to wear them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!